Welcome to another video by Optimum Finance. How to start an online business as a university student. What if we say that you can make big money while you're a student? Is it really possible? In this video, we give the steps to starting an online business while you are studying. The process is simple. Follow these 3 steps, and you will have your own online business. Let's get to this now. Step 1. Find something to sell online that does not conflict with your studies. You are a university student, so you give top priority to your studies, and we know it. Also, you don't have big money to invest in a business. That's cool too. You really don't need much to start an online business. We have 3 awesome business ideas for you. Number 1. Drop shipping. This is a business model that allows you to start an online business and sell products to your customers without manufacturing or stocking the product yourself. You simply accept the order online and then place the order on manufacturers' websites. They will ship it directly to your customer. You keep the profits. This is the famous drop shipping model. Number 2. Selling digital products. What are digital products? Can be books, online courses, videos, or any other digital materials that can be downloaded. This is our favorite because you can sell as many as you want without any production costs. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Earning commissions by promoting other companies or people's products is affiliate marketing. In other words, you select a product you love and promote it to others. But first, please do your research and make sure the product you are selling is real and authentic. Step 2. Creating your online store or website. To run an online business, you need an online store or a website. Let's say you plan to sell a product. An online store is exactly what you need. A simple website is the best choice if you're doing affiliate marketing. Step 3. Promote your new online business using simple and effective marketing. This is free too, as long as you put in some effort. Do your online research on your target audience and finalize the best online marketing strategies and platforms to promote your new business. You can also create social media pages such as Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook and LinkedIn for free and start publishing excellent content. You can even start a YouTube channel with or without your face like this one. We've got one more marketing strategy for you. If you have free time, start a blog and post articles that help people. People love to read useful content these days. What's the next step? Well, getting started is the next step. Let's summarize it all now. As a student, you can make big money from your online store. It's so easy if you follow our method, but it's going to be hard work in the beginning, but it's worth it. That's all for today. The Optimum Finance team wishes you good luck. Manage your time and study well, and earn well. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe. Thanks.